Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
Alrighty guys, this one's called Combustion. Now, it is an effort workout and it is meant to be fast, but it is in no way, shape and form a sprint workout. It's an effort workout and a challenge for you to move fast and do big chunks of work. All right, so it kicks off with a 400-meter run. You're gonna come in and you're going into 30 pull-ups. All right, from there, we're going into 30 box climb overs. We went over these movements a couple of weeks ago. We'll touch on it again today. All right, from there, if you set the pace fast, it immediately feels like an uphill run because the next time you go out, we're going for an 800-meter run this time. When you come back in, we're doing those same movements, but at half the reps. So you're gonna do 15 pull-ups and going into 15 box climb overs. All right, now expectation here today is that for this run, you are cutting it down if you need to so that you can do that first 400 meters in about 2 minutes. All right, you're aiming to do your second 800 meters in 4 minutes. All right, otherwise cut that distance down. If you know 400 is just a little bit too far to run at a comfortably fast pace for 2 minutes, let's cut it back to 3. Let's cut it back to 2. All right, for that 800 meters to get back in 4 minutes, let's cut that back to a 600 meter run, maybe even a 4 if needed. All right, with these pull-ups for the 30 reps to begin with, okay, ideally we're doing big sets. We're gonna cut those reps back, but we're gonna cut the standard down so you can get all sets done, all 30 reps in no more than 5 sets. All right, so that means you need to be doing at least 6 at a time every time you get up. All right, with our climb overs, just be smooth and consistent with these and you'll chip away at them really, really nicely. All right, on the second round, after the 800-meter run, okay, for your set of 15 pull-ups, ideally you're getting this done in 3 sets of 5, okay? No more than that, please. However, if it just comes to it and you're there chipping away, let's just see what happens. All right, this is a benchmark, so push yourself and see how you go. Expectation here is if you are consistent in these movements and the climb overs aren't affecting you too much, you can do big chunks of pull-ups and run relatively quickly. Those gangsters, you'll finish in about 12 minutes. For the majority of us, we're looking to scale appropriately so that we finish in that 15 to 17 minute mark. All right, now with our box climb overs, remember it's a climb over and not a step over or a jump over. So the same thing applies with our climb over. We don't have to stand up tall, but with our climb over, you have to have both hands and feet touching the box at any one time when you go over. So how I'll do this is I'll put my hands down on the box. I place one foot on the box. I'm standing completely on top of the box where I pivot and then come down the other side. And that's a climb over. Okay, if I was to jump over, it would look like that, where I'm actually clearing the box, not actually climbing over it. Okay, I want my hands and feet to touch the box and be all 4 points on top of the box before I climb over the other side. All right, now, this is a benchmark workout. We haven't done it before, so I suggest going hard and seeing how you fare at this, but if you're fairly confident that you can run well and do big sets of pull-ups and that won't bother you too much, feel free to chuck on a vest if you want to. All right, combustion.